My video guide is about getting rid of the browser scam that is related to the website Estimator1.xyz. Some people may pretty suddenly see these scary pop-ups by the site Estimator1.xyz to attack their Google Chrome. These pop-ups claim to be related to some well-known security program, but in fact there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. Instead, there are certain online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to force you into interacting with them. They try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. For this purpose, such pop-ups by Estimator1.xyz may also display pretty frustrating messages about the current situation with your computer. The pop-up may tell you that your computer is horribly infected and that you need to clean it immediately. But you shouldn't trust all these deceptive pop-ups. The information that they present is far away from being true. In case any potentially unwanted software was mistakenly added to the to your computer, we recommend you to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find something suspicious here, get rid of it. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, we recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.